Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete saved passwords on Google Chrome. Let's get started. Open the Chrome app on your phone. On the next screen, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the Options menu. Scroll down and tap Settings option in the menu bar. In Settings, tap the Passwords Manager option. Here, you'll see a list of websites and usernames with saved login information that we have used on your mobile. Scroll and find the site or app you want to remove the password for, and tap on it. On the next screen, tap the Delete button at the bottom. Confirmation dialog box will appear. Confirm by tapping Delete again. There you have it. You've successfully deleted unwanted saved passwords on Google Chrome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.